turn your microphone on now. And then, how do you prepare your sandwich? You tell us and show us step by step. Okay, we should see your sandwich. Okay, you show it to us. Ready?
First, prepare a bread.
Uh-huh.
And prepare a chicken spread.
Okay.
Bread.
Okay. And then what will you do next?
I will squeeze it.
Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, a lot of them are also preparing some bread. Okay, and then what's next?
I'm spreading.
Okay, you're spreading using what? Can you check, Ona, please? Can you show us that whole thing that you're doing so we can also see?
Okay.
There you are. Very good. And then, okay, you are spreading the bread.
Teacher, I don't have any bread.
Okay, let's talk about that later on. Okay, let's just finish Ona first.
Another bread on top.
And then,
Put another bread in top.
okay.
Take a bite.
And take a bite.
Show your whole face. Show your whole face. Okay, do it now. That's the last step.
Okay, take a bite. Go.
Wow! Very good. Congratulations, Ona. You did it very well. Alright. So, sige, you can eat that now while you listen to your classmates. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Let us also give chance to those who have first bread and